pesos per night. The deluxe room, it costs of 3,500 pesos per night. The superior room, it costs of 3,800 pesos per night. And our family room, it costs of 4,600 pesos per night. Our suite room, it costs of 8,700 pesos per night. And our barcada room, it costs of 10,000 pesos per night. And all room types includes complimentary breakfast. Alberta of the deluxe room. Excellent choice, ma'am. Our deluxe room is good for 2 persons and costs of 3,500 per night. Would you like to proceed with the booking, ma'am?
Yes, please. We accept cash, please.
Yes, ma'am. We accept cash payments. And please be informed that upon check-in, there is a 1,000 refundable security deposit which will be returned to you upon check-out, provided that there are no damages or incidental charges. But don't worry, ma'am, the deposit will be paid in cash. Allow me a moment to count your payment, ma'am. 1. All is 4,500. Thank you so much, ma'am. I have your valid ID, ma'am. And kindly fill out this registration form while I will speak to you at hotel policy. So, our hotel policies, check-in time is 2 p.m., check-out time is 12 p.m., and late check-out is subject to availability and may be charged accordingly. And for your room keys must be returned upon check-out. Lost or unreturned keys will incur our placement fee. And for your makeup room service is available upon guest request. Please inform the front desk when the housekeeping service is needed. And please be advised that all confirmed bookings, promotional rates, and early checkouts are strictly non-refundable. And for our refundable security deposit must be required upon check-in to cover possible damage, missing items, or additional charges incurred during the stay. And please be informed that guests shall be held responsible for any damage, loss, or misuse of room items, furniture, linens, towels, or resort facilities. Corresponding charges will apply. And for the smoking and bathing are strictly prohibited inside guest room, indoor areas, and near the swimming pool. A cleaning fee will be charged for violations and smoking is allowed only in designated outdoor rooms. And for your proper swimwear is required at all times. Running, diving, role play, and unsafe behavior are strictly prohibited. Children must be supervised by a responsible adult at all times. And can you sign up here, please? Thank you for complimenting the program. Here is your valid ID. Okay, your room number is 0299. Okay, thank you so much. You are most welcome, ma'am. Our bell staff will assist your luggage and escort you to your room. Thank you for choosing Paradise Master Vacation. I hope you enjoy and have a pleasant stay, ma'am.